Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stake crypto on Coinbase. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently right now we are on the Coinbase home main page. And so from here we're going to go to the assets, which is going to be on the right section. And then from here going to select whatever cryptocurrency we would like to stake. So for example for me Solana. And now from here going to scroll down until you see the button that says start earning under staking. Click on it. And then from here it's going to transfer you to this page where it's going to tell you how much percentage is going to stake and how much you will earn. Click on continue. And then from here you can choose either to stake all, or you can stake just half of it, or however much you would like. So for example, if I only want to stake half, then continue preview stake. And then from here going to click on stake now. And then from here going to click on stake all assets or done. So once you click on done, then you're going to be alright. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.